So Zillow ain't tell me that this house had a major problem. Now this is loud. That right there loud. I don't know if I like that. Y'all hear that? That is loud. I don't know if I like that. Hey y'all, I'm back with another house to show y'all from Zillow. Hey, before I start this video, I want to say thank y'all for showing so much love on the last video. I so appreciate y'all. I'm currently in the neighborhood right now. This is the neighborhood, and let me tell y'all, this is the farthest I have been. Like, this was far out here. Like, it was far. The farthest house I've been to. But before I show y'all everything else, I want to say like the video, and subscribe to the channel if y'all are new here. All you gotta do is just boop with the like button. Boop boop. Look at these houses. They are very close together, I'll tell you that. They are close together. You can hear what everybody's thinking in their house. Yeah, I'm currently here. This is what the house looking like. This house is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Now it's 2,937 square feet. Why I always say foot? I don't know. Y'all know I'm a little slow. It's 2,937 square feet. I think this is the biggest house we've seen so far. I think nothing went past 2,700 square feet that I showed y'all. I'm really not sure, but I think this is almost 3,000 square feet. So this is gonna be like the biggest house that I've showed y'all, and he just went in. This is the outside. This is so cute. And this house is priced at $3,000. I wish it was 3,000, baby, because I'll be moving in right now. Okay, let's lock the door. Okay, it's a woman in there too. Let's go inside and put my phone in my pocket. Hopefully they let me record, because if not, we're gonna say, wrap it up there. Wrap it up. Ooh, hello. Hi. Oh, this is the foyer where you first walk through the door. Love the wood. Hi. Good.
So sorry I wasn't at the door to greet you.
What I was gonna ask.
You smell good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I saw that it was an open house and I wanted to come through.
Perfect.
To look through. Thank you.
Yeah, so look around. There's another gentleman here looking.
Okay.
But open the closet doors, cabinets, look, check everything out.
Okay.
You're welcome to video anything that you'd like to.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, how long this one been on the market? Because I saw it on Zillow.
Let's see, it went on the market, I believe, Tuesday.
Tuesday? Okay, so it's fresh.
Very fresh.
Is this remodeled or?
Yes, so it's a licensed contractor that owns it. He did a pretty extensive renovation.
Okay.
It's got all new interior and exterior paint, new finishes, new quartz countertops throughout.
Okay.
Hot water heater. The roof is, we believe, less than 5 years old.
Okay.
Full updated light fixtures.
Okay, love the ceiling fan up there. Thank you. Okay, so let me show you. This is the living room. Oh, this is the door when you walk through. This is like, I think they call this like the foyer. I don't have this in my house. You just walk in the house in my house. But this is the foyer. Look at the, and it's all white, which I love the all white. This is like the den right here. Look at it. Nice size right here. Nice size. Look at the window, y'all. I love a good window where lights come in, so you don't have to burn much lights and stuff like that. Like they'll be scarred. But look. And I'm gonna get all the way to the corner so y'all can see how big it is. This is the dining area. Or you could probably make this whatever, like a second living room. And then you walk through the living room. This is the living room area. This is the living room area right here. It's pretty big and open. Love the fireplace. Oh, it's the ceiling fan. Love the fireplace right here. Love how they did the tile, the granite tile on the fireplace. And I'm not sure if this might be gas. It's a gas fireplace right there. That's the fireplace. And this is another area where you can put your kitchen table. Like that's the back door, but I'm gonna take y'all to the rooms. So it's some more people coming in. Some more people. right, so this is one of the rooms from the living room. I'm gonna take y'all in the kitchen too. This is like the hallway. Oh, this is big, honey. Then they got the heater on. See, the heater is already on because it's kind of cool outside because the sun going down. But yeah, this is huge. Love like the little molding. Is that what you call it? Like the, it look like almost popcorn ceiling, but that's okay. Love like the little molding. Is it molding? I don't know what you call this ceiling, but this is nice. Look at the window right there. This has got to be the main. This is the master bedroom, because this is the living room. The living room. This is the bathroom right here. Baby, double sinks, mirror, his and her sink. Like you can have your husband over here and you over here, whichever one works for y'all. The jets in the tub need a little cleaning, but it's all right, I guess. And then you have the shower. Oh, love the shower. Which way? Oh, fancy. Fancy, baby. Fancy. Just step in the shower like this. And babe, yes ma'am. Got you where you can put your soap stuff in. You don't have to even use shower curtain. Just wipe down the glass when you finish. Then this a little closet area where you can put your towels, tissue and stuff. And then this is a walk-in closet. His and her walk-in closet, because I think the other one is over there. Do y'all like the walk-in closet in the bathroom or outside? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, you can hang your clothes up here, put your shoes down there. I like how they have the hangers. And then you can fold like you can clothes and put up there. Yeah, then, oh, you got another. Oh, this is the toilet. I ain't even pay attention. This is the toilet area right here. Toilet. And then this is another closet. We can go all the way around. See me over here? All the way around. Yeah. And then this is another. Hello. So, good. So yeah, this is the master. And then we come out of the master, go back through the hallway, and you have a room on your right. Pretty big size. Then you have another closet right here. Decent size room and closet, because you can walk in this closet too. This can be a guest room, kids room, whatever you want it to be. Then across from this room, you have a bathroom. Now this is a full bath. You got your tub right here, like the gold that they put up in here. And you got your sink with some cabinet spaces, like medicine cabinet, whatever you want to use it. Toilet area. Oh, this is nice. Then you got your closet space right here. Got another closet space. Then you, baby, you got all kind of space up here. Now this is loud. That right there loud. I don't know if I like that. Y'all hear that? That is loud. I don't know if I like that. Then you got another full-size bathroom right across, which I like. Got two full, all the bathrooms are full. Because you got your shower, all the bathrooms are full bathroom, no half bath. You got your tub right there, toilet, same as the other bathroom. Pretty big too. Yeah, this is loud. I don't know if I'm a fan of that. But hey, then you have another bedroom right here. Now this is the front of the house. This is the front of the house right there. And you got a closet space. Okay. Nice size double door closet space in this one. Yeah, I actually like this one. Just don't like the loud air conditioner heater noise. That's loud. Maybe whoever buy it get used to the noise. Then you got your ceiling fan up in here. Now this is a good size. The rooms are good size to me. I feel like they're a good size. You come out. I think it's one more room. This one here. Now I think these two are the same size room. This one and the one across I just showed y'all. And you got another closet space right here. Yeah, you see? See how like wide it is now. I didn't like that. It's right there. We gotta show you the kitchen. I didn't show y'all the kitchen. Now across here is the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. Y'all know the kitchen be the main thing. This is the kitchen area. Electric stove, not a gas. Then you have your microwave, cabinet space. The island right in the front. Dishwasher in the sink. Lead sink, child. Is this the back door? Oh, it's a garage. Garage area. Oh, I like how the hot water heater is on the outside. Cause baby, the last house I saw, the hot water heater was in the laundry room. Was it the last house? I think the house before that, the hot water heater was in the laundry room. I didn't like that. It was taking up space. But see how it's outside? Love it. That way, if somebody come work on your hot water heater, they ain't got to come in your house. Then, I think it's two. This might be one. Or is it 2 car garage? Might be 2. 2 cars make them fit up in here. 2 cars make them fit up in here. Then you come out. Then you have your backyard. Private gate. Private gate. You got like a little patio area right here. If I was to move here, I think I would cover this up. You know how they put like the little beams at the top and cover it up? I think that's what I would do. Then the backyard is not bad at all, y'all. It's a full backyard, lots of space in the backyard. Look like they put up a brand new gate. Then you have like your little shed area right there. I hope y'all can see it. You got some trees back here, but you don't have a lot of trees. Now he did do a full renovation on this house. I think you can go through the back door like this. Now it's locked. But yeah, that's the backyard coming from the garage area. And that's some of the people who came through to look at the house. But yeah, back to the... Oh, this is a pantry. Is that the pantry?
Yep,
I didn't see that.
There's lots of great storage space in this.
There is a lot of house.
Two closets in the hallway.
Yeah, I love that one. And this is the pantry.
Yes.
Lots of stuff. Oh, and washer and dryer area. Then that leads to the back door. You got cabinet space for your laundry detergent. It's pretty big.
Sorry.
Man.
I thought you were coming back this way. There's a little built-in desk area.
Oh yeah, I seen that. Like you want to do like some work and stuff. We can put her chair here. I love this one.
I love this kitchen. It's one of my favorite kitchens.
All right, so the refrigerator, it goes over here, right? Oh, all right, refrigerator goes over there. And it don't come with one. Yeah, I love this one, y'all. I'm going to take y'all on the outside, and we going to take my bike and explore the neighborhood and get a good feel of the neighborhood to see how we like it on the outside. Okay, so far I've seen somebody, some people riding their scooters, and I seen someone ride a golf cart. So that's kind of good so far. Nothing, no noise. No, look at the cat, y'all. It's a whole cat over there. I'm gonna put y'all on my chest and be showing y'all the neighborhood on the outside. Cause y'all said in the last video, you should go back and watch the neighborhood at night to see how you feel about it. That cat is big. Look at the fat cat. So they have cats roaming the neighborhood now. Most people don't like cats roaming the neighborhood, but it may be like, someone's cat. I don't know. Let me stop it. Oh, my brakes is squeaky, honey. Let me stop and show y'all. Can y'all see the cat underneath the car right there? But yeah, so far it is like 4 in the afternoon, like 4, maybe 4:40, almost 5 o'clock. And it's real quiet. And today is Monday, and it's real quiet out here. It's still quiet, no noise. So it might not be bad. The neighborhood might be nice. Now should we go up there? Let's go over here. Let's go this way and show y'all. So far, I feel like the neighborhood's still quiet. Now, when I came earlier, I'm gonna say last time when I came to view it, it was like earlier than this. So yeah, and it's still quiet out here. We have to go up to here. See, I see neighbors walking. Now she putting her trash out. Oh, it's windy. She putting her trash out. So yeah, still looking nice. Now this is a no HOA area. So they still keep it nice though for it to be like a no HOA area. They still keep it nice. I think they got another house right here for sale. Now I haven't toured this one. I think the people still living in it as well. So I haven't toured that one. I think they living in it. I think that's her who put the trash out. Oh, I think I heard a dog. Okay, he might be inside. But yeah, y'all, this is the neighborhood. I hope y'all can hear me because it's actually windy out here. I do have my wind thing on my chest, but it's supposed to block some of the wind out. But yeah, look, y'all. This is me riding around the neighborhood of the house. We just showed y'all the inside of what y'all think about the neighborhood. It's almost 5 o'clock. Let me see. Somebody said come at dark. It's kind of evening, so this is normally when kids get out of school. But today, I don't think kids had school today. It's 4:35. It's 4:35, almost 5 o'clock. And everybody seems home. All the cars in the driveway. Look, all the cars in the driveway. And still no noise. See, he over there in his driveway. I'm sitting on the back of his truck. And he's quiet, staying to himself. So I feel like the neighbors kind of like stay to themselves. It's the other side. So it's pretty quiet. I like it. So far, anyway, but I actually like the neighborhood. It's pretty quiet. I feel like it's decent. They still got their Christmas stuff up. See how it's no HOA? Because if it was HOA, they probably would have been had to take that down. See how they got their signs in the yard? HOA, I don't think they like that right there. So I don't know if I told y'all, but it's priced at $375,000. I thought somebody was behind me. It's priced at $375,000. Oh, going up this hill, honey, with the bike. You can ride the bike around the neighborhood, walk your dog. Oh, my leg. My legs, honey. I haven't did this in a minute. Rode no bike. But so far, y'all, there's no noise. Still quiet. Still really quiet. No noise in the neighborhood, which I like it. See how he on the golf court coming? They got riding golf course through here and everything. Hello. Good. How you doing?
Enjoying this good weather.
Oh yes, feels so good out here, don't it?
Hey, at least it's not blistered.
Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
How y'all doing?
Good. Talk to you later. You too. Neighbors, nice. I don't even live here. Let me get out the road. I don't even live here. And they both spoke. 2 different neighbors. I'm not even from this neighborhood. That man spoke to me and everything. And there was another dude on the golf course with his 2 dogs. White man spoke to me and everything. I don't even live here. Black people, right there. Mixed neighborhood. Definitely a mixed neighborhood. Definitely mixed neighborhood and nice people. I love it over here. So I give me $375,000. Give me $375,000. It's far out though. I don't like it's just so far. Like it's far out. Like the mall from here is so far. Like it's so far out. That's the only thing I don't like about it. And that noise on the inside of the house. Somebody will have to fix that. Look at these beautiful houses. Yes, this neighborhood is it. Love the neighborhood. Love it, love it, love it. This is a dead end right here, as y'all can see. Dead end. The neighbors are so nice. Oh, whoa, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Come to a curve. This is a circle area of the neighborhood. Dead end, going back up. Now I got to find the house, y'all. I got to find the house. But yeah, I love it, y'all. This is a nice neighborhood. Mixed neighborhood, neighbors nice. This is the neighborhood at done, well not done, but in the evening time, like when kids are out of school, y'all saw they were just in the yard playing basketball. The kids are out of school, parents and stuff is at off work and here. And so yeah, still quiet. I do hear a dog, but I think it's on the other side or either in the house. I ain't like that sound in the house at all. That vent was just way too loud for me. Look, see how the kids getting in the cart, golf cart? I feel like everybody just mind their business, they speak and everything. All right, y'all, so I think I have to turn this way. I think the house is this way. Yes, this way right here. I almost lost the house, but you can't get lost up here because they got two dead ends. So I'm thinking it's just one way in and one way out. Even though it's not an HOA, I like how they keep the yards up to make it look kind of like a HOA. But yeah, I like how they keep the yards. This is the house right here, y'all. This is her. I'm gonna take y'all out. This will be the house. Love the neighborhood. Love, love, love the neighborhood. Wasn't bad at all. Love it.